Every successful online marketer knows the importance of using squeeze pages. Whether you are marketing your own products, services, affiliate programs or an e-zine, you need a squeeze page. Squeeze pages can be used in many different ways. The main purpose of having a squeeze page is not only to show your prospect the benefits of what you are offering, but to help you build your opt-in list. I'm sure you've heard the saying, the money is in your list. You build your list by creating an opt-in web form on your squeeze page, or as some call it, a landing page, asking for their name and email address in return for something of value to them. If your offer is enticing enough, they will then enter their information and end up on your sales page. They may not buy right then, but now you have their information where you can follow up with them later, either by direct email from you or through your autoresponder program. It's a known fact that most customers do not buy the first time. It may take 5, 7 or more contacts from you before they do buy what you're offering. First, you need to gain their trust and build confidence with them. This is the cheapest way to lower your advertising costs. Build a large list of opt-in subscribers, customers who trust you. It's like money in the bank. One can never deny the fact that a squeeze page is very essential and crucial in this business, and that 98% of the marketers only ask for first name and email address. This of course depends on what you might need the other info for. 3. Squeeze pages can drive traffic to your site. To drive traffic to your site, first you should flatter your visitors with perks and bonuses that are related to your product and their interests. Just make sure that the cost of your giveaways can fit in your budget, and they must be a quality, deliverable product or service that your lead can use and benefit from. 4. A squeeze page is more likely to produce a 20 opt-in rate of the total number of net surfers who visit your site. You must provide a strong and juicy headline and show your visitors what's in it for them to tempt your visitor to leave their name and email address so that they can't wait to get to your website. 5. By creating a squeeze page, you can optimize your email marketing campaign. It has been proven that almost all visitors to your website won't drag out their credit cards on their first visit. You'll be able to follow up with your list of subscribers and gain their confidence in you and trust you. Then you can sell them other products, yours or affiliate, and services. If they trust you, they will be more likely to buy what you recommend. 6. With a good squeeze page program, you can do split testing with your headlines, offers and products to find out what is the most effective to bring in customers. If you do split test, then you can logically make more with the same amount of traffic and the same product. What you have to do is to continuously keep testing and to continuously run 2 versions so that you keep making your site better and better. With the right squeeze page program, it will automatically do the testing for you, or there are several tracking products on the market that you can purchase. 7. As with most websites, you can add video, images, audio and other media at the push of a button. Again, this will depending on what you use to make squeeze pages as to whether you can add media. It's been proven that by adding media to your squeeze page, you will get better conversions. I hope by now you can see the importance of squeeze pages in your internet business. They're simple, easy to make with the right program, and they will help you build your list and achieve your peak in online marketing. Thank you for watching.